Hello friends, this is Barbara and we're back with another crockpot meal. Today we're making potato swamp. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is cut up like 6 potatoes and quarter them. Cut them in quarters. It's going to be easy recipe. 1 onion, any color onion. It's do whatever you want kind of meal. So put your onion in and then we are going to put our sausage in. You can go with the spicy andouille, but today I'm going to go with the just 1 pack of beef smoked sausage. Okay, then after you get that, we are going to throw in some green beans. Oh, geez, I guess I could have opened them more, right? They are frozen. The ice will be okay. Okay, throw in 1 stick of butter. One tablespoon of minced garlic. I just got to get my tablespoon. Well, it's a half a tablespoon, so we will, there's 1. Oh, I might as well just clean this jar out. But you want to do 1 tablespoon. Unless you're crazy about garlic, then go crazy, okay? Okay, and then it calls for 1 package of onion soup mix, but I try to be light on the salt. Obviously, we have sausage in there, and that's got salt in it. We've already got this in there, and that's loaded with salt. So let's do a half a pack of that onion seasoning. Let's just do a half a pack. You can do a whole pack if you want, okay? I'm going to go with a half a pack. We're going to turn that baby on high, and then we're cooking it for 5 hours. Okay, woo, we are done. This is potato swamp. Get some potatoes. Potatoes are falling apart, as you can see. Okay, that's all I want. And this is hot. I am turning off my crock pot. It does not need to cook any longer. Like, this is really, it's super hot. Yeah, those potatoes are really done. I just want to get like, cool down a piece of potato, sausage, get some green bean. I have like no patience. And I just want to take the bites. Okay, just a second. I'm going to blow on it. Okay. Yeah, that tastes really good. I think maybe I would have put the green beans in a little bit later, but they're not bad. They're not bad. They're really actually pretty good. Especially the potatoes. Okay, my friends. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Keep cooking, friends. I love yous.